Good morning, Monday 28th of October 2024. Welcome back to my little homestead at Lixview Acres. If you're new here, I'm Brendan and I do general lifestyle videos on our 7-acre lifestyle block. And with today being a public holiday, we get the day off here in New Zealand, so it's another day of being able to get stuff done around our property. So there's a few basic chores we need to do first: letting the chickens out, topping up the cows, water, and just checking on all the animals. And then we'll get into some other projects during the day. We do have a moderate thunderstorm watch for this afternoon, early evening, so that could be exciting. I quite like that sort of thing, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. So with that being said, let's get into it.
That was so weird, that sound. Come on! Elsie! You go. Elsie. Hello. Need to do the middle. Need to do that. Elsie!
Alright, Bubba? Alright?
One-handed. And Mommy just says to give him a fence. Mommy just said to give him a fence.
Can you get that one in, Bubba?
It needs untightening.
Is it?
Yeah. But we still have to use. Maybe about here.
Yeah? You want to do that one as well, or?
Just the middle. See? The middle.
Oh, I'll go and
And you might have to untighten the top and bottom. Probably.
Oh, that's alright.
It's just leaning.
It's been nice and wet, hasn't it? So.
It's been leaning like that.
Alright, so Emily's just taken Elsie's rug off. We've given her a carrot and she's given her a bit more grass. Just extended the fence out slightly. Well, with the chicken and horse chores out of the way, it's time to check on the cow's water and top that up. For that, I have a 200 litre bin that our laundry roof water drains into. I do eventually want to upgrade that to a 1,000 litre IBC pod, but for now the 200 litre does the job, but it does tend to overflow after prolonged rain. So that is something else in the pipeline that will do. But for now, it does the job. Let's top up the cow's water.
Come on. Oh, you need to stop. Please stop. You need to.
Okay, so I've just brought the tractor and trailer down. So this was all overgrown. Last weekend I trimmed a lot of it up. I've still got to go up and around the corner. But all this long grass and stuff that I've trimmed up with the weed whacker, I'm just going to load it onto the trailer and take it up to the burn pile. You can see it's starting to grow back through already. That rain we had on Saturday certainly helped. Try and tidy this bit up a little bit. So we'll start loading all this onto the trailer. Alright, we've picked up those clumps of old cut grass. Like I say, I still got to go around the corner, but we've got a good trailer load there. It's still a bit rough through there. It's be almost worthwhile to run the tractor blade, try and level it out a little bit. When we bought the property, there was like 4 or 5 big hay bales sitting in here. We got rid of them, but there were still remnants of them. So obviously it's all growing and it's gone a bit uneven. It'd be nice to get this a nice curved bank again. Eventually we want to extend the chicken area right around here, because around the front here there are some old garden boxes. So once I trim up around there, it will expose them. But for now I'm happy with this. We've got moody skies developing and it's nearly lunchtime. I'm getting a little bit hungry. We've had a good morning. So we might, after lunch, we might sit back and relax for a little bit and see if these thunderstorms develop. And if they do, we'll sit back, relax and watch it. All the animals are happy. We've put Elsie's rug back on. She's had a nice morning with the rug off, but with this rain imminent, we thought we'd just put the cover back on, just in case. Alright everyone, before this rain hits, if it does, the skies looked quite gloomy earlier on, but it appears to have gone round us. That's alright. I've just mixed up some Tord and brush kill, and we're going to go through the back paddock. I've noticed a few more thistles starting to come through. 2 weeks ago I went through there and cleaned a lot of them up, and good results. So I've spotted some more, so we're going to go in and do that. just while the sun's out. We need a couple of hours for it to sort of set in and do its job, but it works really well on the thistles. We've got them under control. We're going to be running the cows back through there, strip feeding them very soon with all this nice spring growth growing through. So we want to clean up as many of the thistles as possible so they don't spread. So it's taken a couple of years. We've still got a lot more over the back of the property on the other side of the forest that we want to clean up. A lot of old gorse and stuff, a lot of brush, brambles. So we've still got a lot to do over there. We'll get there, we'll get there. I'll take you around there one day. So that's what the thistles look like after a couple of weeks. Doesn't kill off too much of the grass, but it certainly gets rid of the thistles. Well, that's most of the thistles sprayed here in this back paddock. Like I said earlier, I can hear thunder. It's in the distance along the coastline. So we've sprayed the thistles here in this back paddock. The plan is we're going to run the cows back through here soon. We've got all this awesome spring growth coming through. So we'll start strip feeding them through this back paddock soon. And we've also got down the bottom there as well, which is growing really, really nice. I've added some more to the burn pile. We'll keep adding to the burn pile. Once we've got a bit more there, we'll light it again. So I'm hearing thunder. But it's out to the east of us. Never know, something could come over this way. It wasn't actually predicted until late afternoon, early evening, which is now, what, 5 o'clock? So we'll keep an eye on the sky. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog video. Just a portion of the stuff we do around here. A lot of it is daily chores, but we love it, and I love sharing it with everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you again in the next video. Take care.